The best stand mixer. You almost certainly, whether you intend to or not, imagine a KitchenAid, specifically the KitchenAid Artisan tilt head. And for years that's the one we've recommended. But KitchenAid isn't the only good stand mixer on the market. And with so many new options, we tested 5 models ranging from $40 to $1,000 to find out if it was still the best stand mixer for most home bakers. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best stand mixers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. KitchenAid Artisan Series Tilt Head. The KitchenAid 5-quart Artisan mixer is a classic and beloved high-quality tool for small to medium-sized jobs. It's perfect for regular baking tasks and the long list of jobs that KitchenAid attachments can assist with. According to Stern, he loves KitchenAid because their mixers are classic, strong, and easy to repair if necessary. Testers have praised how easily the bowl twists in and out for disassembly during cleaning. The stand is sturdy during tasks like making cookies and whipped cream, but shakes while kneading the bread dough for an extended time. However, it did not become too loud or warm during use. It is a heavy mixer, but attractive enough to take up counter real estate and versatile enough to warrant the price tag. Number 4. KitchenAid Artisan Mini Plus 3.5 Quart. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini Plus 3.5 Quart mixer is the perfect choice for small jobs like making a batch of cookies or a single loaf of bread. Although it may be challenging for larger batches, its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens. The paddle attachment is well designed with an excellent rubber edge that scrapes the bowl thoroughly during cookie preparation. This well-constructed machine has 10-speed settings and is lightweight, making it easy to handle when moving in and out of storage. Additionally, it works seamlessly with most of KitchenAid's handy attachments, including pasta makers and spiralizers. Number 3. Wolf Gourmet WGSM 100S. The Wolf Gourmet High-Performance Stand Mixer is a luxurious yet reliable investment for any kitchen. Its sleek silver exterior not only looks impressive but is also easy to clean. The mixer comes with a deep bowl that has both low and high settings, making it suitable for handling whipped cream and cookies. However, some testers noted that it struggles slightly with heavy bread dough. The Wolf mixer is a great addition to any kitchen and offers plenty of additional attachments for sale, including a meat grinder. The magnetized attachment cover allows for a quick and easy switch between functions in a matter of seconds. Number 2. KitchenAid 7-Quart Pro Line. The KitchenAid 7-Quart Pro Line stand mixer easily handles all of our recipes, and it is our recommendation for bakers looking to make larger batches. O'Brien has had the same machine for 15 years. "I love my KitchenAid," O'Brien says. "I felt like a real grown-up when I got my first one." She has had the same machine at home for 15 years, and her favorite is the biggest one I can get. While the 7-quart bowl allows the mixer to accommodate more significant jobs, it can also easily handle smaller batches. We love how easy the level is to lift the bowl up and down. The ease of the lever also makes it easy to disassemble for cleaning or to move on to the next project. The mixer comes with standard attachments, but more can be purchased separately for various tasks. Number 1. Kenwood 5-Core Chef Kitchen Machine has a sleek and modern design that perfectly complements any kitchen. It is also an ideal size for the average household. The silver body is very easy to clean as there are no nooks or crannies, and some of the parts can even be put in the dishwasher. The bowl is broad and deep enough to handle most kitchen tasks, although it may rattle at high speeds. Testers appreciate the guard and find it convenient to have the tools on top of the machine. Additionally, there are different hubs around the device for impressive attachments, including a food processor and blender. A dual ventilation system also ensures that the motor does not overheat, making this kitchen machine a reliable and efficient choice. There you have it, the absolute best stand mixers. If this video resonates with you, don't hesitate to hit the thumbs up button. If you have a burning question, an idea for our next review, or just want to chat, drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. And if you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and catch you on the flip side. Peace out.